Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Metal to Discord. First, ensure both the Metal TV application and Discord are installed on your computer. Open Metal TV and log into your account. Make sure your Discord application is also running in the background and you are logged in there too. This initial setup ensures a smooth connection process between the two platforms, allowing for easy clip sharing.
When it comes to performance, both cars are incredible, but they achieve it differently. The Huracan's heart is its iconic 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10, delivering a visceral driving experience. The Revuelto, however, steps into the future with a 6.5-liter V12 paired with 3 electric motors, creating a plug-in hybrid powerhouse. This hybrid setup gives the Revuelto a substantial boost in horsepower and allows for even faster 0 to 60 times, showcasing a new level of speed. Hey everyone, if you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation. Just like these Lamborghinis are engineered for peak performance, you can engineer your week for success. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for keeping your healthy meals fresh. You can find the link for these containers and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. Visually, both Lamborghinis are stunning, yet they have distinct design languages. The Huracan embodies a classic, sharp, and aggressive Lamborghini look, instantly recognizable. The Revuelto, on the other hand, introduces a more futuristic aesthetic, incorporating prominent Y-shaped elements throughout its design. While their styles differ, both vehicles are meticulously crafted with advanced aerodynamics. Every curve and vent serves a purpose, ensuring maximum downforce and stability at high speeds, truly blending form and function. Inside, both supercars offer a luxurious and performance-oriented environment, but with different approaches to technology. The Huracan's cabin is very driver-centric, featuring a more analog feel with essential controls readily accessible. The Revuelto, however, embraces a more digital future, offering multiple screens and advanced connectivity features for a highly interactive experience. Despite these differences, both models ensure premium materials and extensive customization options, allowing owners to personalize their high-performance machines to their exact preferences.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.